In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Jobber and Yardbook. Whether you're running a service business or specifically delve into lawn care and landscaping, understanding the right software that suits your business needs is crucial. Let's explore these two popular options in detail. Starting off with Jobber, this software shines for those operating a broader service business beyond just landscaping. If you're in sectors like cleaning, HVAC, plumbing, or electrical services, Jobber might just be the perfect fit for you. It's designed to cater to a variety of service industries, providing a polished and professional interface that can manage an array of tasks. One of the standout features of Jobber is its ability to handle extensive business management tasks. Whether you're looking to streamline your scheduling, customer communication, or even invoicing, Jobber's comprehensive toolset supports your operations effectively. Another significant advantage of Jobber is its strong integration capabilities. Seamlessly connecting with other platforms is essential for many businesses, and Jobber excels here, providing robust options to integrate with a multitude of services efficiently. Plus, if detailed reporting is high on your priority list, Jobber won't disappoint. Its robust reporting tools deliver insights that can help you analyze trends, track performance, and make informed decisions, ensuring your business runs smoothly and efficiently. On the other hand, if your business is focused primarily on lawn care or landscaping, Yardbook could be the more relevant option for you. Yardbook is tailored specifically for lawn care professionals and landscaping companies, making it a prime choice for those who want industry-specific solutions. A particularly appealing feature of Yardbook is its cost-effectiveness. It serves as a lower-cost software solution while still offering many essential features that cater to the unique needs of landscaping operations. Yardbook is especially adept at managing the intricacies of recurring lawn service routes. This feature can be invaluable for businesses that offer regular maintenance visits, allowing you to efficiently plan and execute your service schedules. The software is designed with features that recognize the demands and nuances of landscaping tasks, thus offering a suite of tools that really focus on supporting and optimizing the workflows of yard care professionals. Ultimately, when choosing between Jobber and Yardbook, it's crucial to consider the specific needs and scope of your business. Jobber offers a broader spectrum of services with advanced integrations and reporting if you're in a service field that goes beyond lawn care. Meanwhile, Yardbook caters specifically to the lawn and landscaping sectors with targeted features and an attractive price point. Understanding these differences and evaluating them against your business requirements is key to making the right decision. As you assess what's best for you, consider what features will most enhance your day-to-day operations and support your long-term business growth. Thanks for joining me today as we explored Jobber and Yardbook. I hope this comparison helps clarify which software might be the best fit for your business.